How you doing today, Railroad Crossings, Ontario? I got you one August 24th at 7 p.m. So this video is like pretty much just happened. Oh, just so you know, my videos aren't going to be at the same time anymore. It's whenever I get a train, I'm going to try to post it as soon as possible. So the videos are more up to date. So they might be some days where I don't get any trains, some days where I get trains. So I'm only going to post if I can upload within a half an hour. So hopefully you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, hit that notification, and we'll see you on the next one.